Sometimes it's not what you can see, it's what you can imagine. Let us help you turn your idea into reality and give you a first glimpse of what your application can look like. When the idea starts its journey of becoming an application, it doesn't even have to leave the building. Turning, stamping, electroplating, assembly, even ultrasonic welding, ODU has them all under one roof. But wait, what is missing here? The cable. It's important to test the capabilities of your application. Heat resistant, tightness, vibration resistant, we got you covered. All of this is made possible by the 2,500 people who work for the ODU Group worldwide. Why should you trust us? Because ODU combines proven technology with over 80 years of expertise. Always ready to go the extra mile for our customers, no matter if you come from the medical, military, test and measurement, or industrial market. When you need a highly reliable connector, think ODU. What was simply brass, plastic, and gold is now your ODU connector solution.